Heritage Enclave is centrally located in the heart of Martin County, just minutes from shopping, top-ranked Martin County schools, major highways, and just a short ride to West Palm Beach International Airport. I've been selling real estate here on the Treasure Coast since 2003, and I'm currently the on-site broker for Heritage Enclave, a 50-unit townhouse project here in Hobe Sound. This is a 50-unit townhouse project featuring a gated community, lush landscaping, lake and preserve views, community pool and clubhouse, just to name a few. Our townhomes feature CBS construction on both levels, hurricane impact windows, tile floors in the living areas, stainless appliances, and much more. This is our 4-bedroom model with over 1,900 square feet of living space, ground floor guest suite with its own bath. Upstairs is the ensuite master and 2 additional bedrooms with walk-in closets with lake and preserve views. We are located at the intersection of US 1 and Heritage Boulevard at the entrance to the Heritage Ridge Golf Club. Feel free to stop by anytime for a tour of our model or call me at 772-288-1765.